let me feature doing a little unboxing of this Hieha car multimedia player portable HD touchscreen. It says that it has GPS navigation, make and receive calls, music and podcasts, messages read out loud, touchscreen, and super easy installation. So let's get into this and find out what it's like. So right off, we have the screen. Very nice. Has a camera here in the back. Has all the hookups here. You can connect it to your cigarette lighter. And you also have your regular connector. Your sticky mats for installation. And also a mount. A USB card. Your owner's manual. And another sticky pad. The owner's manual comes in one language, and it walks you through step by step through the whole manual process. We have one of these in our one Jeep, but then we have another Jeep that has no camera backup. That's why we have this one here. So we're looking forward to installing it and enjoying it like we do the other one that we have. So thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.